What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Now, I hinted in the last video that I was gonna go ahead and paint my wheels because, as you guys know, they were Plasti Dipped before, that crazy chameleon color. Well, the color kind of faded and I just didn't like the way it looked anymore, so I'm actually over at my buddy Austin's place and he's gonna help me prep the wheels. We're gonna get them all cleaned up and then we're gonna go ahead and spray them a beautiful like black metallic. It's gonna look so good. I thought about getting new wheels, but then I was like, well, I already have Rotas. I think they'll look good once we lower it, so we're just gonna spray them. But I started taking off the Plasti Dip. It's quite the tedious process, but as you guys can tell, I've made a decent amount of progress, but I'm doing this wheel, Austin's doing the front wheel, and then we still have the other two to do. So it's gonna be a very tedious process, but hopefully the finished product will be worth it. Don't Plasti Dip your wheels, guys. It's not worth it. And the paint was cheaper to actually spray these with automotive paint than it was to Plasti Dip them. I think I spent like 60 or 70 bucks on rattle cans and clear coat for these, and they still only lasted a few months. So I definitely don't recommend Plasti Dip, but if you're balling on a budget, I mean, might be a good option. I think we've already been doing it for like 30-45 minutes and it's taking way too long. So we're gonna go and try and pressure wash and see if a hot pressure washer will get the rest of this off, because yeah, that's not a lot. There's a lot more to go. If you guys haven't seen the original color of these Rotas, here it is. It's like a bronze goldish color, which I'm not a huge fan of. A lot of people like it, but I think the new color is gonna look way better. So we're pressure washing them, and so far so good. Coming off real easy now, huh? Yeah. A little easier. So Austin's actually spraying brake cleaner on it currently to just kind of break down the material. So if you guys have Plasti Dip wheels and you can't get it to come off, try spraying brake cleaner on it, because it's gonna make your life so much easier. So we're gonna let this soak for just a few minutes. As you guys can tell, we're already making a ton of progress.
Yeah, see, the color's still kind of under the clear. I think.
Yeah, I bet you're right. The clear coat just got foggy. I don't know, this color was so fun at first, but it just started to fade over time, and even when I washed it, it still didn't pop like it did when we first did it. And honestly, I wanted black in the beginning, so I'm gonna be super happy when these are finished. It's just melting right off. So we're all done. Came out really good. It's so aggressive though, it took off some of the bronze that was on here, but we're painting them so it doesn't matter, but it's kind of crazy that it took that much off. But. So we finally finished prepping the wheels, and one piece of advice, do not Plasti Dip your wheels if you ever plan on taking it off. It took us, we had a really nice pressure washer, and then we still had to spend another like 2 hours getting all the remaining Plasti Dip off, and it was terrible. So take it from me, don't do it. Don't Plasti Dip your wheels, don't be like me. But they are all prepped, ready to go. Got bags underneath, taped it just so, you know, none of the paint gets anywhere on the tire. And we're gonna start spraying the primer, which Austin's already doing. These wheels are gonna look sick, guys. I'm so excited. And so obviously you guys have probably already seen the review on Austin's Evo 9, and if you haven't, you guys should go watch it, because that's by far my favorite car I've ever reviewed, ever driven. But he's got basically the same paint on his wheels, so this will give you guys a little bit of an idea. The sun isn't out right now, so you can't see all the flake. Well, maybe a little bit right there, but there's definitely some flake in it, and I think on my Evo 8 it's gonna look absolutely awesome. Alright guys, so I did get a brand new Ronin S and I wanted to show you guys the new wheels with the new gimbal. So hopefully you guys notice the quality change on the channel. My arm's dying because this is insanely heavy, but I really want to up the quality. I'm doing a bunch of reviews next week on some really cool cars. I wanted to go ahead and get the Ronin S so you guys can enjoy quality and enjoy the videos just that much more. I haven't showed you guys the new wheels on the Evo yet. I have it all cleaned up, so here are the new wheels. So I hope you guys like the new wheel color on the Evo. I know I probably shouldn't have made it its own separate video, but I did want to get a video out this weekend for you guys before we do install the new turbo on the Evo. I want to know, what kind of power numbers do you guys think the Evo is going to put down on the dyno when we take it up to get it dynoed next week? I also have a reaction video planned for when I get the new turbo on, so that should be hilarious. So if you guys are excited, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.